those students who had attained outstanding academic achievement through their time in middle school. Today, we would like to present 3 additional awards. And these are new awards for us this year. These awards are given in recognition of total overall student achievement, thinking about the virtues and the values we desire and hope for of all of our students. The 3 awards are the St. Mary Award, the St. Joseph Award, and finally the St. Hubert Award. Now, the recipients of these awards are going to receive a print by a local artist named Christopher Santer. They're gorgeous prints. The St. Hubert print is a print that we actually commissioned for this award, meaning we asked the artist to draw this saint for us. The recipients all will receive a print in recognition of their achievement. Recipients were nominated and recognized and voted on by their peers in the 8th grade class as well as the middle school faculty. So that's how these award recipients were determined. The St. Joseph Award is presented as St. Mary in recognition of exceptional dedication, leadership, and outstanding contributions to St. Hubert Catholic School and Church. Again, this gentleman's unwavering commitment to the Catholic faith and his remarkable service in various roles have made a significant impact on our community. We would like to honor and recognize Mr. Isaiah and his service. That you have left on our school, and we wish you well as we celebrate all of your 8th grade graduation tomorrow afternoon. Thank you.